Ito pong si dating DE Henry Alcantara ng First
Mm.
Engineering District na pinalitan
Yes
po
po.
nitong si Bryce Hernandez. Nasaan na itong
Yes.
dalawang ito?
They are on floating status na because I relieved them actually in all their functions po.
Okay. Kung sila po'y floating, ito ba'y mga seso? Kasi ang mga DE, may mga eksaminasyon pa yan na
We,
kinukuha
no,
bago ka maging
yes,
permanent nga sa DE. Ito bang dalawang
yes.
ito ay as in qualified maging DE? They complied with all the requirements? At sila ba'y mga seso?
I would not know. Hindi na, you don't have to be a CSO. But,
Mm-mm.
to become a district engineer, you have passed actually the district engineering
Exam.
exam.
Mhm.
I think hindi naman natin po pwedeng ilagay kung hindi nakapasa po.
Okay,
So I'm sure
kasi may mga
nakapasa
iba
naman
po. Opo,
siguro.
okay, sige. Anyway, gaano kahirap ang due process dito na pagtanggal sa kanila sa serbisyo?
Very dito. For as long as we have all the documents and we have gathered all the documents and as soon as kino-consolidate na po ng legal service namin lahat ngayon yun, and that is why we have already issued po yung show cause order sa kanila. So
Okay.
I think we have documents already to start with.
Opo. Nag-submit ba ito ng SALN, sir? Meron ba kayong file ng SALN ng mga ito? Pwede bang isa publiko mga SALN nito kaya? Will that be
Well,
in consonance with the Data Privacy Act?
I'm sure that every pa naman ho ng SALN nila is a mandatory filing actually.
Mm-mm.
Records ng department na I'm sure na meron naman silang sinapay na kung dito kasi mandatory po ito pag-file ng SALN.
Mm-mm.
But I think ang kwan po nito is actually a private document but it can be accessed if there is